Okay, so my name is Sanjana. I'm here to conduct your speaking. Your name is Harpreet Kaur Dhiman and your passport ID is S93188279. Shall I start?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is your full name?
My name is Harpreet Kaur Dhiman.
Where do you live?
I am from Mandi Gobindgarh, district Fatehgarh Sahib. It is in Punjab state.
Okay, so do you work or study?
Recently, I have completed my post-graduations and nowadays I am learning English from a famous institute.
Okay, so let's talk about trust. So who do you trust most?
I trust my parents very much because they can't break my trust.
Okay, what kind of people do you trust?
Who they are loyal to me or don't lie to me, like my friends or my close friend.
Have you ever lost your trust in somebody?
Of course, yes. In my school days, my friend used to tell me that I give to you the money when I want the money, but she didn't. At the time, she didn't give me the money. She broke my trust.
Okay. So, do you trust artificial intelligence? Do you trust artificial intelligence?
Artificial intelligence.
Okay, so this is the end of part 1. Let's come to the part 2. You have 1 to 2 minutes to plan your ideas. Here is your cue card. Your cue card is describe a water related leisure activity that you want to try. Here you can get your notes.
There are many free time activities are there, like when we feel relaxed, we want to hear some songs and cooking food, etc. But here I would like to tell you about a water related leisure activity I just want to try. So in my school days, my school have sponsored a picnic tour for 3 to 5 days, but I want to went there, but my parents had not allowed to me. At that time, my 2 or 3 friends are gone there, and after the tour, they tell me that they enjoyed very much there. The water activities are different scenarios, like there are rides over there and the very much greenery, and they dance over there with friends when the raining is over there, and different types of rides and the ship or boat activities are there. After that, he tell me I thought that I missed the tour, and I tell my parents that they enjoyed very much. I also want to go there with you also, with my family.
Okay, this is the end of part 2. Let's come to the part 3. How important is free time for individuals?
It is very important for people because they want the stress off and relaxation their mind.
Okay, so do people learn something about themselves when they go for such leisure activities?
Of course, yes. Because of hectic schedule, they can't be with themselves. They want some time to increase their talent and know himself.
Okay, so while doing leisure activity, it is a good idea to take risk.
Of course not. Don't risk to. If we want to leisure activity, it is for enjoyment. It is not for the risk. For example, my friends have gone there in water activity. They went for swimming, but the sportsmen tell that there are no swimming.
Okay. So what benefits do people have when they travel to new destination for leisure?
They try new activities and new scenario of the place and the innovation what have done about the environment.
This is the end of your speaking. You'll get your results soon. You may go now.
Thank you.